In this video, we will learn how to get running total of profit in Excel sheet. So let's start this in Excel sheet. I have here some data with the heading of date, financial year, financial quarter, sales representative name, customer, amount, cost, profit. So, so here I want running total of this profit. Running total means if this profit is 3920 and in second cell I want this two total 6960. Okay, here I want 6960. In third cell I want this date profit. This is 12680 means 12680. Okay, so this is a running total. So I want this total on one click only. Just select your full column of profit. Then here you can see the quick analysis. Just click on it, click on the total option. Okay, here you get there's so many options, some average. When you see the blue highlighted is row, and when you see this sum, the orange highlighted is column. This sum is a blue highlighted is row, and this sum is orange highlighted is columns. Means its option sum of this column, and this option is sum of this row. You can see here 72,900 is profit total when you keep cursor on this first option. When you keep cursor on this sum, you can see the column sum of every profit column sum. This is a one column only, so same amount show here sum. If the two column, then it's automatically add the both column amount. So I want to show you this is a difference of this option. So I want here the running column total. So this is a option running, but it's for row total. But I want column wise. So I just click on this arrow. Here you can see the running option to column. You can see the orange highlighted on option is column in column. So we get this total running total in column. Just click on it and leave it. See here the running total of this profit 3920, the total of both profit 6960, total of 3 sale 12,680, and total of 4 sales 18,360. Okay, so here you get last 72,900 is a total sum of profit. You can, when you select the full profit, you can see the sum of 72,900. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.